Hey everyone, so Xiaomi's Mi Bands are among the best fitness trackers money can buy. Xiaomi offers its Mi Bands with great features at an extremely affordable price. Xiaomi usually launches its fitness trackers around the month of April, so if you are waiting for the Mi Band 7, then here's a good news for you. According to the information, the Mi Band 7 might launch on May 10 alongside a new phone. For those unaware, May 10 is the rumored launch date for the Xiaomi 12 Ultra, and we might see the arrival of the Mi Band 7 alongside the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. Since the Mi Band 7 has received multiple certification, therefore it's highly likely that it will go official on May 10. As for the specifications, the Mi Band 7 is a successor to the Mi Band 6, and the fitness tracker will bring some huge improvements over its predecessor. It is said to come with a bigger display with always-on display support. The display would be an AMOLED panel with 192 by 490 pixel resolution. The fitness tracker will come with a slightly wider display than the current model and will have the same oval shape. According to a previous report, the Mi Band 7 could come with built-in GPS functionality, but take this information with a pinch of salt, as last year's Mi Band 6 was also said to come with built-in GPS support, but the final product didn't come with the feature. In addition, the Mi Band 7 will include a smart alarm feature which will automatically wake you up from light sleep 30 minutes before your main alarm goes off. The fitness tracker will also feature a couple of power saving modes, one of which will only keep the step and sleep tracking feature intact while disabling everything else. The Mi Band 7 will also come with some new watch faces and will also include several workout modes. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.